Hi guys, good day. Today I'm going to show you my cutie little flip card. So this is my flip card. It was consists of colors like pink and blue because these are my favorite colors. It inspired me to study more. So one of my instructor told us to do some flip cards. So for us to be able to study more and to motivate us. So this is what my flip card looks like that. So first I'm going to write the our subject, which is software engineering one. Then the instructor who told us to do this flip card. So this flip card is all about waterfall and agile methodology. So so I'm going to answer this flip card. The answer of this flip card is behind the question. Like for instance, we have this question like, what are the two distinct approaches in software development? So if we the answer of this is on behind of the questions. So let's flip it. That is agile. So this is the answer, the agile and the waterfall model. So now let's start. Let's answer some of the question of this flip card so that to see if I will be able to answer some of those questions, some of these questions. So number one is, what are the two distinct approaches in software development? So my answer would be agile and waterfall models. Then question number two, this is one of the weaknesses of waterfall that is not ideal for unclear requirements. So the answer would be not ideal for projects that have uncertain requirements. Now let me see. Let's see. So not ideal, so I'm correct. Not ideal for unclear or uncertain requirements. So that is the answer. Then number three, the waterfall model is blank because everything is planned in advance. So my answer would be the waterfall model is easier to manage. So yes, I'm correct. So this is the answer behind the question, that is easier to manage. And then number four, what approach is iterative and flexible? So the model would be, the answer would be agile model. Am I correct? Yes, I'm correct. The number five, what principle does agile follow? The principle that agile follows is agile manifesto. Let's see if I'm correct. Says I am correct. So agile, that is agile manifesto. The number six, give the three key agile methodologies. So the key three methodologies of agile are Kanban, Scrum, and XP. So let's see if my answer is correct. If my answer are correct, so yes, it is absolutely correct. Then number seven, what strength of agile model that ensures continuous feedback? So ensures continuous feedback in agile is customer collaboration, because in agile this kind of model collaborates customer requirements throughout the process. And number eight question, it is one of the key of methodologies of agile that prioritizes high quality coding and frequent testing. So that is extreme programming. So let's see if my answer is correct, and that is absolutely, oh my god, what happened? Let's arrange this. My answer would be extreme programming. So my answer is correct. And then the number nine questions is, what certain weaknesses of agile that is not ideal for managing large scale projects? So one of the weaknesses of the agile method about not ideal for managing large scale project is not ideal for large project with not ideal for large projects without clear structure. Yes, correct. Not ideal for large scale project without clear structure. The number 10 question, give one strength of agile and waterfall. The one strength of agile is it is flexible, and then waterfall is ideal for large projects. So as you can see here, agile is flexibility, faster delivery, customer collaboration, easy early bug detection, and then the waterfall weaknesses are clear structure, predictability, easier to manage. That is an as it's a strength, not a weaknesses rather. So to this flip card, I was able to answer all those questions. So the last flip card is thank you. So as you can see here, by doing this flip card, when studying, it motivates us and it allows us to answer different kind of questions that would help us in this incoming midterm exam. So guys, thank you for listening, and I hope that you learned something new today. Thank you.